Hello all, welcome to Learning Oasis. In today's video, we are going to try and solve a problem which was faced by one of our subscriber. So I had previously posted a video wherein we could combine data from multiple files placed inside a single folder into a consolidated file. But the problem that she was facing was that each file that she was trying to consolidate had different sheet names. So I'm trying to replicate that. I have three different files. One file is named 2020, but the sheet name is sheet 2. Similarly, I have two other files. The other one is 2021, but the sheet name is sheet 3, and the other one is 2019, and then the sheet name is sheet 1. So let's try to merge this in the normal method that we do. So this is the sheet where I want to merge the data. So for that, I'll get into the data tab and then click on get data. From file, choose the option from folder, and then select the folder from where we have to merge the data. So you will see a pop-up window. Now you will click on transform data, and then it will open up the Power Query editor. And then the normal method that we do is click on this double arrow, and it will give you another window opening up. And then you will select a sample file. For instance, you could select 2019, and then I'll click on sheet 1 and then click OK. So this will load the data for me once it's validated. So if you see, I will get data only from 2019. 2020 and 2021 will be showing up as error. The reason being they had different sheet names. So now let's try and solve this. So let's go to the scratch, remove all queries that we created. So this is the source that we have. What I will do is go to add column and then click on custom column. And here I will enter this formula, Excel dot workbook, open parentheses, and then click on content, click insert, close parentheses, hit OK. So this is what you will see. This is the custom column that we added. Click on that, right click on remove other columns. All other columns would be removed. Now click on this double arrow again. Now you will get a list of data. So what you have to do is uncheck everything, just click on data and then click OK. Now again click on this double headed arrow, uncheck this option, use original name as prefix, and then click OK. So this will expand everything. If you see 2019, 2020, 2021, everything would be listed, but the only thing is the header names will be repeated twice. For that, what we can do is go back to the home tab, click on use first row as the header, and then click on this filter, uncheck the pass out option, click OK. So this is the file that you see now, and then you're going to export this to the Excel file. So click on close and load. So that data will be coming up here. So if you see, you will have 150 odd entries. So to be precise, it is 148 entries that were available in the three different files. Okay. So now let's check out if this is dynamic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of the files, let's say 2020, and then clear out certain entries. So let's see, let's have only 5 entries, clear the rest of it, and then save the file, close it off. Then once you do that, just open up the query. Just make one thing sure, here you should not have any null value selected, and then click OK. What you need to do now is just right click and then refresh. Once you do it, you will see only 104 entries. Whatever entries that we removed from the original file have been removed from here as well. So let's do another check. Let's try to add something else. Let's open 2021, and then I'm just copy pasting additional entries, same thing, just to cross verify. So we have added about 5 entries. Save this file, close it off, right click, refresh. So you will see the additional entries being added. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.